These ain't the trees that I had in mind to wake up to.
I'll get flying up there.
Yeah, man. How was I not recording, man? Gutted. Jack just flew his drone from inside the freaking van. From there, scared the shit out of me. Picked the camera up, watched it hover around here, around here, around here. Hit a tree, fell down.
Oh, the gimbal was stuck.
Got something stuck in it.
There you
Ooh. Yeah, boy. I feel like yeah, we've done what we said we like, because they're numbered, like number 19. Oh really? He took a picture. I wonder, so what the fuck? Someone's taking pictures. Oh shit, recording when I don't want to be recording and not recording when I want to be recording. Me all over. What's this one? So I don't need a bottle opener much.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Fuck me.
You got to see this.
How'd that do that?
I don't know. It caught in stuff.
And just fucking landed perfectly in the right way it was going. And that was in the air still.
And then carries on.
Fucking hell, man. Dangerous. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes,
One-handed.
boy. Thank you very much.
Would have got to have the first beer and a toast.
Cheers.
Fucking mate,
You
this
get
is
some firewood
nothing.
I've got a whole body in. Are you joking? After what me and Mum were saying. Get the fuck off on.
You bastards. You bastards. Fucking pillow. What else didn't I bring?
Oh, shrooms.
I know.
You got your big fucking.
Yeah, that was from Noah's Hall. Kev over there, the little washing up fairy liquid thing. Remember that from the lockup?
Oh yeah.
Don't come out as good as what I wanted it to come out. You have to go, keep fucking moving it like that, and a tiny bit may come out, but it looks cool. Doesn't matter, does it?
Go to the blue.
It does, yeah.
That stuff.
That was the expensive fairy, that blue stuff. Platinum. Only what we find on the floor, eh, boys? Is that what we're doing? Yeah, boy.
Getting like the kindling.
Yeah, nice little kindling start. Right, Jack, take that stick. I'll take them sticks back. You take. I'll take these sticks.
Okay. I'll get them in the pot.
Stick for a stick. Let's just get a little bit ready. Nah, let's get this just ready so when we come back, at least we got something. You can see it. Just putting your beer down in the pub. Can you see my beer anywhere? Down here. Oh, it's there. Oh my God, I literally must have just walked past it. Yeah. Things like this. Really dry and dead. Have a beer. Stand up. It's a nice little pile day we've got, isn't it? These are the trees I was on about. These bad boys. Oh, and these are the ones I had in mind. You notice? I want to wake up in a white forest like this. Oh, it's dogs. Yeah, I thought it was a fucking, yeah, it's something. We just gained 2 new recruits, 3 new recruits. You can't. The Bracken. The Bracken of Brandon. Are we in Brandon, and we near Brandon? Oh, we're going lefty. Oh, it's decision.
It's a road.
That's good. Well, they're both going to potentially take you to a road eventually, isn't they? That's what I was saying. Like when you climb a mountain, you don't mind about the weather. Like your feet and your hands have been colder than they've ever been before anyway. So you're just grateful of the van. Yeah. Whereas here, if we're in extreme, I think Manhunt will knacker us out later.
I think so.
But it could end bad. It could end real fucking bad. So one of us could go missing.
2 searches.
No, I thought just 1 searcher with the night vision.
Nah, 2 searches with the night vision.
Oh shit, so the one that's on the escape gets to get the night vision.
Yeah, so you can't.
So soft.
You can see the
It'll just fall asleep in the van.
one.
I bought unplanned for the route. Well, we done well to get here before dark anyway. Fuck off, I don't even want people to think that I watched that shit. Not that it's shit, but it's, well, then he wakes up and just gets full and go.
You talk to him and nothing comes out.
But then he'll just wake up and start having a full-blown conversation as well. What are we doing, like a little hike then? Yeah, I see it growing over the twigs and that.
Yeah.
It's cool. Just losing it, and it's just like literally. You imagine that's what when you see in the futuristic films where buildings get covered in that. It would happen.
Yeah.
Leave anything long enough, that shit's going to start growing. We've got a little opening to the right, little lefty left, which is that's the road just there. Yeah, I can hear cars. I don't like it. There's a little base over there. Look.
I'm looking at that and joking like if you pull that tree will go.
Aye. It'll move, but it's shapes. Yeah, try it. Go on, I'll record it. Let's see, Jack's got the idea that he thinks if he moves that one, it's going to whip up. Thing is, you wouldn't want to stand there if it did, surely. Ah, he's broke it. Oh, no, yeah, it's got an erection. It's exciting. It's exciting. Go on, pull it. Almost got a boner. It's a shame you can't get the van in these sort of places, though, and it's just driving in here. This is where Leon can chuck up from the tree. No, don't do that. Hey, where Leon and Crean said, where's that? Great Forest, Forest Dean? Mate, it looked like they drove into somewhere like this. Like, obviously a little bit more open for track to get your cars and that in, but once you're in, you just...
There,
nah, it's got to be over there somewhere.
Right there.
I was at the front. If I could get one. Go on, Kev, rugby tackle it. Go on, hold your ball. I'll hold your ball because it could get dangerous. Rugby tackle it though. Oh, fuck. That's been there for days. Take that back, we'll have that as shelter. And there is like thousands of loft. Look at the almost like plywood. When you look at it like that, the different layers. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Pricks coming along and just break it. Like could have still been mighty 20 years. Look at this one. That'd be a good little bed. Just put some fits in there. Right.
I feel like we're using it in a wrong context as well, because I feel like we're using it as a negative.
Yeah, it is.
Right.
Yeah, we changed it. We flipped it full circle. Oh yeah, we'll have a look in a sec. I got to make a phone call home actually because I ain't spoke to Sarah to tell her we're here.
For the future, probably like 2000 or maybe 3027, and he's a people carrier. He's carrying these people.
The ship or a ship?
She says the future meets the past.
Oh my God!
Could camp here, boys. This could be a good little spot. Nah, mate. This has got got a barricade for the wind and the fire. That's our little bedroom. This is our living room, living quarters. Bedroom down there.
Yeah, it had a nice soundtrack.
Yeah. That's the last people that camped today. Set them on fire. Fucking wank like us. Now I think if we go straight, we'll end up at the van. I'm telling you, we will end up at the van if we go straight. Alright, if we go this way and then we do a left. In your van. Is it really? I can zoom in on this as well. No, not enough. Carbon crisp.
If you see him now, we'll read his period from the side.
Having a little forage while we're in here. We're looking for some mushrooms and we're looking for some stuff that we can use for the camp. Kev's found a fucking, you can't see because it's getting dark, metal tin for the bin for the fire.
Perfect.
Put the wood in there.
No?
Well, we're down. No one will see us down here. We're about 20 foot below ground level. Yeah, it's true. We could have a big hell of fire here. Go back to the van, make the coffee. Well, because we've got to bring all the wood down here now. Yeah, we'll see. Play it by ear. Should we take the tin back then?
Yeah.
Well, they will. Let's be real, but it doesn't matter. We'll just keep it clean. Do you want me to carry that? It's your birthday,
Put
innit?
some old in it.
No.
You sure? That's your birthday, Kev.
I just had my tetanus jab. Do you want to hold it?
No, well, I got.
The shape that's been cut off.
I know.
That's an old
You know
axe
when
head. It's not actually that dark. It looks darker because we're in fucking down below ground level. We might go down there for the fire. Just looks like the base of a tree. At night time, that'll look like that's ground level. So they would not see us
Imagine
down
if
there.
that was a tree. It's fallen over and left one of those craters.
Big holes in the floor, yeah. Okay, I got it. Ow! Every time it fucking drags on you. Can see the butte. We are very close to the road though.
Whoa! Yeah, go on,
Firewood, take it. Just we're doing the forest good, yeah. It's to sweep up the mess in the morning. I think the others are gone, mate. Ah, fucking hell! Cunt! Nice, they've reported us by now though. We'll leave this here out the way for now. Looks like they've kicked all our firewood over. Who moved all that there?
I know.
They fucking haven't they? This was against the tree, man. 100% there was loads there. They fucked it all down there. They ain't really done much, have they? But what the fuck?
This is the path, that's why.
Oh, what, across here you mean?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Maybe. Still.
No, I think you're right. Oh, they have moved it. There's loads here.
We're definitely going to get reported then, aren't we? We have all close. I think we try and move this tree and we fuck off down there. No, but I'm saying we just move this tree now and go down there. We can roll that. Yeah, we could do it. We've done it back in the day. Rum and coffee. Switch the first switch. That's...
And that's what you need, mate.
I'll need to charge mine. I'll be able to charge it in here, won't I? I'll be able to charge it in here, won't I?
Yeah.
What charger is it?
Old one. I've got it.
Sticks to the van.
Yeah. What else is it? Up there?
Don't you put it up here?
If it can.
Stick on that. Yeah. Stick on that. Full man.
I forget that this is up. I was. Yeah.
Oh, I still crouched down. Yeah, and it's fucking annoying, man. Because if we're having a fucking coffee. Nice. No, that's not on that. I was going to say you can't let me get.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, fuck me, it's still good. See what I mean? Look, I record when I don't want to be recording. And then when I thought I was recording, it wouldn't have been recording.
Yeah, when you shut it off.
I suppose, but this is another collection from Mum. They've seen everything else. I haven't seen this. It keeps them all together. When you start opening it, it's got a spoon, it's got a knife, it's got a fork, it's got a corkscrew. Look at that. Shiny fucking dildo. Yeah, it will fall apart, but use a spoon, man. If it breaks, it breaks. Maybe no spoon. 50 years ago, no. Hey, no. Who got some cards?
Anything that I saw.
Anyone. It doesn't matter.
Dark stairs.
I'm going to fucking stick that under the cup. But you got to be wise with shit. We just got to put shit away.
That was me, mate. That box would be in the bin somewhere. It'd be on the fire.
To be fair, but it's easy to store though, isn't it?
You just gonna... Would you hold a bet?
What? You didn't just send that to Mum. We're going to play a little game of manhunt later. Once we're beard up, doobied up, under the influence. And we'll play a little game of 2v1 manhunt.
Get that all on tape.
That'll be sick. That's one edit. Once you found, you get
forest.
5 seconds. You boring.
Once they find you, it's just sticky. No more.
Hit him. No, you could just hit him in the back with that once.
Yeah. From the moment you fucking touch him.
Well, 5 seconds, and there's video evidence as well. So fucking no cheating.
And if you go over, you get 5 seconds on them.
Yeah.
And it's weird being very strict. Everyone would get ready. You can stand there going, oh, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. It'd be like, they're fucking good, man. Get in focus.
I'm doing it.
That's good, mate. If you see an animal, their eyes will light up.
God, no, you used to go out there when you talk to them.
Let me get my shoes on.
Do
you see it? Oh, wouldn't it be scary? Whoever's got the woods when you see other people. Literally pitch back there. You can't see nothing. There's some big old branches above where you're going to be sleeping, Kev. We just had a little rock out. What was that 80s rock in the van then, Kev? What is it, 70s? We're going to have another little rock out later. But, I'm just a bit worried about this massive tree that we're under. Because genuinely, branch full. It's meant to be. That's scary out there. Yeah, start looking through the trees. Let me turn these on. It looks like a fucking rock party in here. Let me shut these and see. Can't actually see the van. The van's. We'll just like little bits. Just little bits, yeah. Get the fire started.
I like that.
Which has no light. I've turned it
I've
off.
got a lighter.
It is.
So you want to break it in half?
What is that then?
No.
What is that?
You don't want to break it in half?
Straw. Beautiful. Can't even see the van.
It lights
That's a good fucking torch. That's flashing, isn't it? Why is it flashing? Huh? It's flashing red and green as well, and white. It's got white in the middle. Let me see if that comes up on the camera. It doesn't. It just looks white. I've got some like ski trousers in the van. I'm going to put them on when we play later. When we play manhunt, I'm definitely putting them on. That's enough, Kev, for now. Get that going first. We'll use some of this shit as well, because there's a big pile of it here. You have to put your fucking leg in it, didn't you? Just be sensible, sure.
No, they've got drum, isn't it? Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, when that ranger come,
You know what I mean? They don't give a fuck. Yeah.
Animals don't do that.
The gypsies come over to the common and fucking swimming, and they just left all their fucking everything there.
Yeah, them people, we hate them people.
Then they slow.
Yeah, like what, like they have now? We are very close to a road, aren't we? Stealthy camping, boys. Right. I think we should have moved that. Jake would have.
been panicking.
Would he?
Yeah.
We'll let that burn down.
So if anyone asks, anyway, should we just give Jake's name? Should we give Jake's name? These trousers, even though they've got a massive. Ooh, that's what you want. The goggles? Are you getting them now? Oh shit. Stop vehicle. Could be someone coming to prosecute. We'll get rid of the illegal. Yeah, they've shit themselves. Yeah, them night goggles are fucking awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's quality. Nah, I'm gonna look for some goggles.
Yeah, goggles aren't
That's
expensive anymore.
clear.
How much are they?
I think so.
Really?
Alright, so we've just realised that we're getting hungry and we haven't really got supplies. We've got food, but we've got no utensils.
No, we've got
We've got
a spoon.
We've got a Swiss
Have we got
Army.
anything- have we got anything?
A Swiss. $6.30. It's gone $6.30. It's gone $6.30. All we've got this is Tommy Dickfing gas. Cold. What's up? Oh, you sat on that. You sat on that. Oh, careful. That's gonna hurt. Right, so we've got a pan. We've got no oil because James kept the oil. James kept the oil clearly.
Who's that motor oil you bought?
I bought some van oil. We could use the diesel oil. All right, how are we going to do it then? What have we got that we could use as oil?
This.
Oh, the sauce. But I'd try and cook it first a little bit.
Chicken first.
Yeah, because that'll produce a bit of water in that anyway. Just tip the whole
Oh
packet.
no, I think put the sauce in with the chicken.
I think it'll burn too quick, man. That sauce will go to paste.
Maybe,
It'll just stick.
maybe.
I think. See if any juice comes from the chicken on its own. And if not, we'll just tip some beer on it. Don't
Like
get that
it.
leather thing covered
Beer
in food
chicken.
though. Covered in what's the disease you get from? That's it, salmonella. Bottle break. Oh shit! Careful your hands, man. Got a little light. Don't know if it's
Oh, you don't want to film this. Tesco though. No, come on.
cooperative. We'll clean it with the flame. Just don't put that blade back.
What have you done? Propped it up.
We was blocking the fire, so every time a car was coming past around, so we couldn't really see it.
Incognito.
We could actually do it before. Now we've got some vegetables. We've got some.
That is what we're doing.
We've got no
I
vegetable
wanted to
oil.
put that salmon in there.
That's gonna stick in it. Maybe we'll have to fucking add that sauce. Shit,
We
man.
should have started it on low, to be fair.
Yeah, really low. I think it's gonna stick whatever, but we've just got to try to keep moving it around.
Yeah.
Just a little hack, Kev's hack. So, like, if you're running low on juices, we're not no more because we get a clip of it. A little bit of rum instead of
Right, one of us
vegetable
gonna
oil.
set on fire
Yeah,
now.
stand back. We'll get back. Don't get carried away. It's a ball. If you'd have seen it about a minute ago, it fucking nearly. And that gets the juices flowing. You can just start.
All cars coming, block the fire.
Block the fire, quick! Block the fire. Shit! One from each direction.
Oh shit!
Fuck! There is one from each direction.
They're not stopping this.
Fuck! I need to set on fire. Man, yeah, you don't even bother chocolate. Well, you can do. No, your dad said chocolate.
I'll separate all the big.
Look at that, straight through.
Sharp as fuck, man.
Don't even have to slice it. I can just...
Nah, we don't want that in the morning. We've got bacon and egg. Or salmon. That's what Callum has, to be fair.
Yeah, it's like
it's called like an egg bow or something.
egg.
Or
It's almost like egg Benedict.
egg
Isn't it?
Benedict. It might be that one.
Yeah, it is. It's definitely salmon in that. Oh shit! I might push too hard.
Right, do you want
I wanted that one.
Yeah, that one. Get them in the...
Knife.
Yeah, you do it because I've only got one hand.
Yeah, I know. You need both of them, to be fair. It smells like bacon.
Kev just put a fucking fern on the bloody...
On the Barbie.
On the Barbie. I can't really stir this with one hand because look at the smoke. Fuck's sake. When you see a car goes past, it just lights up. Yeah, probably. They can't see. Oh, you have to hold this pan, Jack. I can feel sticking down.
I'm not moving for any more cars. I know it's sort of a joke, isn't it?
No, we don't have.
No.
Yeah, no, I don't care.
We're here for the night. We've had rum, we've had beer, we've had dudes, we've had all sorts of shenanigans.
Let's fatten it out so I get the juice in it.
You know what?
The thing that it hangs off.
I know, it gets in the
It's
way.
in your fucking way,
I
mate.
know.
Dips in your coffee.
Or something, but then even that would get in the way.
Go on then. Get it all in.
Don't want to go mad.
No, I know, but it bulks the meal out, doesn't it?
Yeah, but then you want to go on, keep mixing it then as I'm pouring. Mission, because it don't start getting small. It gets a lot smaller once it cooks, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're having vegetables.
No, trust me, I'll go small. Trust me. You wanted, didn't you? You had to. You feed the wild.
Do you know what? I wanted to take more out.
You take a little bit more if you want.
No,
because I'm
we're
trusting
healthy.
you.
We'll go. Put the sauce in. We're gonna eat it. We're leaving it out on the tray. Don't waste food. Put it back in, mate.
Get the salmon in there.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Start now. I reckon we get some rum in there though.
Yeah, I think we might need a little bit. It's hard to turn it when there's so much in it, but it will start going down. But at least the chicken's still cooking as well.
It smells like crisps, mate. There's so many different flavours coming out of this.
Beautiful. Kev's feeding more door.
Or pepper.
Maybe. Honestly, he took everything that we bought. He ended up
No, so
keeping.
you're not stocked.
No, really, I didn't know because
Oh, you bought it together?
we went to Aldi together, three of us. Yeah.
No.
I know. Me and Rich got the short straw.
I've taken my part.
I got 3 pot noodles. Fucking. they're not even the real pot noodles.
Maybe that's.
They're not even.
I know,
They're not even
right
actual
there.
pot noodles.
I need food that's got salmon in it.
Ready? I did put it on the flame for ages.
Now we're cooking on gas.
Now we're cooking, mate. Well, we've got no
won't
bowls,
we
no
cook on
knives
gas
or
before?
forks or nothing.
Oh, we don't, do we?
You have to
Nothing.
suck
so
it up.
we're gonna fucking
Jack,
do
you have
this.
your first fill.
Nah, Dad, it's your birthday, mate.
No,
You go
no,
the first.
no,
I'll see how
no.
you feel.
All joking aside,
Trust me.
this thing is falling apart. There's
Yeah.
a fork, there's a spoon.
Oh, you want to take it apart?
Take it apart, man. You've got 2 thingies there.
And a
then
knife
Kev
would
can
work.
use his fingers.
A knife would work. No, it's your birthday, mate. No, we can use stuff. We can. I'll go get a stick and sharpen it. Burn it.
if I have
Pick
to,
it out. Yeah.
I'll shape that bit with a spoon. That's definitely Rich's out of his bag. And then these lovely coats. Oh shit, you wanted a bloody bit of bog roll, didn't you? Oh, bollocks.
Yeah, it's live though.
It's a bit of tissue.
Getting caught on the tree, mate.
It's a bit of tissue.
For what?
I don't know, it's a fucking blade.
Oh
You
yeah.
heat it and wipe
I thought
it.
you meant put my stir fryer.
Nah, got that. That's from Rich's picnic utensil.
Yes. Wait, that's from mine.
No, it's from Rich's picnic.
That's exactly the same one, son.
Oh, yeah, well he's got
Same
4
one.
of them.
From Go Outdoors.
Maybe, yeah, could
Yeah.
be. And then I've got loads of these, but one of us can use one of them. One of us can use what
What
you're
the fuck is
using.
that, mate?
It's a coaster. I'll
To
use
eat
it.
this.
I'll use it. No, it's just like that.
Engineering.
Like fucking scoop it out,
Yeah.
shovel it up.
I'm down. I don't mind.
Get more in
using
your
those
mouth for
either.
that banana.
I know
Calm
you love
down, mate.
bananas.
Right, boys, it's about 15 minutes. If he ain't sent me no message, but I've just had a notification saying that Rich's is going live at 5:30. I've got no
Alright.
link to it, nothing. If it does happen,
No,
we're doing it.
mate, go on it. We'll just be there to add in.
Well, I need to win. I think it's done. I think it's done.
Yeah, they're disintegrating.
Yeah, exactly.
Quite. Cooking could do with a little longer.
Yeah. It needs to be crispy. Get
No, I'm
off
joking.
it.
It's alright. It's alright.
Get off it. It needs.
Well, don't let it stick. I'll have that
you
bit.
distracted me.
Jack, you want to take it off? That's done.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
It will still cook in a pan for about another 10 minutes, Jack.
Mate, so you 100%.
Yeah.
What do you taste?
Yeah, no, it's
Chicken's
done.
like
Trust
tough.
me.
Yeah, it's because it's so dry.
It's like Sarah cooked it. No, mate, it's banging.
Oh, have that.
Jack,
There's a-
that is
there's a fork
fucking
on that.
banging.
Yeah, go on.
I just picked it up.
Ah, my legs.
I can't even see it on here, I don't think. Good result.
Do
Give it to us.
Look at my shovel. I've got a shovel. Holy madness.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go quickly roll a fag, put this back in there, and then.
Oh, you're gonna roll a fag though?
Fag.
No.
Big fag. Yeah, defo.
Fag. Oh, nice fag. Thank you.
Yeah, and then I might see what he's. Oh, they gone live. I've just checked the messages on the chat. He's like, Max hasn't replied. Did you say he's camping? James has gone. And then Rich is like, yeah, don't worry, man. I'll jump on when I can, if I can. Like, he's driving a fucking lorry in the town. Hopefully Max will come in. Gislet it. What is it? Is it cooked?
Fucking lovely.
Top, mate.
What I'll do as well, I'll let you drive for a little bit. I'm just going to say hello to a couple of people about just having good times and coming in, mate.
Oh, shut up, James. We're trying to fucking eat our dinner, mate.
Are we coming on then, or what?
Do you wanna?
I wouldn't want to let you
Oh.
these guys down. So everyone in the chat, even if
Once
it's
we're on
just
there, how long are we on
sort
for?
of big amount, whoever comes in
As
the
long as we
chat,
want to,
you
but
know,
yeah.
hopefully
Got a light first. Let's
appreciate
smoke
the
this
levels
fucking
that we go
dude
to.
first.
Especially, I'm not here because I like you guys. I like Richard, so
There's a can of it.
On the
Fucking
vegetables.
crispy.
Yeah, the
Fucking
vegetables. It's
lovely.
like fucking. See that in the stir fry. Told you.
Rich, fuck's sake.
else in the background we can get on anyway with a bit better signal.
Boom shakalaka. Alright, lad. Alright.
Right, boys.
We got Jack, we got Kev, we've got Rich, we've got James all in one building. What the fuck's going on? James, all I'm saying is, man,
Right,
we've
I'm
just
having a
had a
conversation.
chicken stir fry that Jack cooked up. Right? And put it this way. Whilst it was cooking, pretty much just about to be served, we realised that one, we didn't have any utensils. Two, that means bowls, forks, knives, anything. We had nothing. So now we're thinking, what we're going to do? But we've managed to salvage a spoon that looks like it came from your packet. Definitely,
Yeah, I
Rich.
appreciate that, mate.
Thanks very much.
I'll use that.
I found this that I got from Noah's Hall. This was the what do you call it? And then there was the big shank over, but we don't want to
No,
get
Max used a banana coaster.
Oh no, I use this. Do you know them coasters, Rich, that you see in the glove compartment? I was using that. That was mine. And hold on, that's not it. So we had a chicken stir fry. You'll see it all on a future edit, probably in about 5 years. 5 years from now. And then he's just cooked up 2 salmon fillets. Mate. Yeah, man, it's been good, man. We've only been here. We've probably only been here a couple of hours, but it took about an hour and a half to get here. It still looks beautiful, man. We've got Kev has got these saying he got them for his birthday. It's Kev's birthday, everybody. Anybody in the chat, it's Kev's birthday. And if he wasn't here, said we got him out of there, man. But he's got these night vision goggles from the other brother. My brothers have been stopping. This is quite. I think every time they stop, Jack's getting out the goggles, and you can literally see, mate. It's insane. Mate, do you know what? I even bought him up in the. Actually, I have. But this, Sean was telling me all about that. Mate,
Max, you caught that yourself, mate.
It was
yeah.
How was it, James, with the dogs? How was it with the dogs? Did they have to keep going out for boys and that? Did they settle quite easy in the... Go on, Kev. Get some wood on the fire, Kev. Kev is the fire.
Lose anything? No, don't worry. Max doesn't know us.
Wait, what you got? I noticed something. I noticed there was a bit of waiter on the right. You got my wheels? Did you? Is it you that stole the wheels? I wondered why there was... I've left this GoPro recording the whole time.
It's a bit late for that. It's early. It's a bit early. 2023.
Some of these are probably out there. Just be careful because it's dark. We can't. What? I ain't. I hope you cover me.
Alright, mate.
Alright, what do you mean alright? Yeah, it's 10 minutes.
Oh, for fuck.
What's going on, Dad?
Oh, Jack!
Oh.
Look! Oh, look, this is going to be perfect. It's so
hot. Yeah.
fucking... Look at that.
Wait,
Look.
oh, here we go.
Look.
Oh shit, I forgot about my stick. Alright, give me a fucking marshmallow.
Oh, no, I don't see much, boys. Fuck it.
Oh no, we need to fire up.
it.
That's all right.
Yeah, it's good when the resin gets in it.
Good taste.
Yeah.
Oh shit, they snapped you.
What? Yeah, I like it like that. Give it a turn.
Well, what's all this burning in here?
Get some of that out of here.
Oi!
Get some more in there. Come on, where? Fat with me.
Marshmallows. Trust Jack
Where's
with
the marshmallows? Where are the marshmallows? Give us a marshmallow, you prick.
Oh, yeah.
Knife's next to you, Jack. That's everywhere, man.
There's not a flame
This tin has got toxic. I love you, prick.
Dude.
You don't
Come on,
need it in the
boys.
flames.
Let's get some flame.
It's
Jack,
massive.
Jack.
Oh, I pulled it off again.
Jack, look where I am. Max,
I
look.
know. You don't know.
Look. Oi!
Let me come
Oh, Max! Fuck's sake, look, I've got metal over it now. Fucking hell. You wanker.
Nice.
Oh, it's a bit crunchy.
Yeah, bit irony. Steel. Oh shit, I just touched it. I didn't even want to touch the metal, I just touched the metal.
The
What do you
good
do?
though.
Do you know why? Give me that flame there.
Look, yours is Bliss Jackson stuck to the metal. I'm eating it. No, I'm
Have you got
serious,
stuff
guys.
on yours?
Mine's got loads of white shit coming out of the tree.
What? Nah, you can't have that.
Yours is stuck to the metal.
Oh, it's full of
Something's hissing in that fire. Man.
Move your sticks.
Fuck off.
You got 5 seconds before I throw us down.
Why?
1,
What are you doing?
4, 3. There's not enough flame there, too.
What do you mean? You don't need
You
to
bailed,
ruin it.
man. You fucked it.
Jack, that was perfect.
Whoa! Give it a turn. Give it a turn. Look at that. How'd you get that like that?
It is at the end, right?
You want it to burn, but you have to submit
Like
for it
that.
to burn at the same
No,
time.
I do, yeah. Okay. I think you.
You know what I use.
I don't want to know. Oh, here we go. Ah, what the fuck are you doing?
Look at the state of it. Look.
What are you on about?
What do you mean?
are
What am I
about?
on about? What's that on it? You got a bit of metal. You got metal on your stick.
There was smoke in my eyes.
Look, he's trying to burn it off, but it's not going anywhere.
Yes.
Would you eat that?
Look, it's still smoking
It's
at the
got,
top.
mate, it's got.
I'm telling you, that's still on there. It's got flame. Look, but look. Oh, it's even. Look at that, Jack. Look, it's like glass blowing.
You're burning it.
Look,
You're
look.
burning the top.
No,
That top,
it's ready.
that top,
no,
honestly.
wait, ready.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, but look, that top is
How
burned
do you
to
get to
the
set on
wrist.
fire? Mine.
You need a flame, man.
Oh, get away, Jack. Mine's working. Jack, move. Look, you have to get it low. Get off. There's flames in there. Look at them flames. Distraction. Oh no! I got something in the eyes. I can't see.
Touched it. That's it.
Don't speak that. Yeah, mate.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it? How did
That's
you?
right.
Bit on the floor. It's like going on a job when they say they call a ceiling the roof. He plaster the roof. I'm like, what the fuck?
Daniel always used to say that when I took Sam.
I'm just
Why? Like, is it coming this way?
right, I think we should take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm alright. Melt at people like that. When they're
That
washing
could
up.
be a little bit lazy.
Utensils that we have got. Cheers, Rich. A bit somewhat, but yeah,
nice and
it's
wide.
clean. I'm going to be stuck.
What it was.
Yeah.
It's birthday, isn't it? It's not long left. Oh, you're back. Oh no. Yeah, I'll be just in case we
Don't
have to
test
start and then stop.
Shall I...
Don't you want to put a big peel on that?
No.
Take your shoes off.
All right.
Oh no, what we're doing.
Well, we burnt it. We burnt it, didn't we?
You run.
Baby! There you go, it's done now. I'm telling you, you need to get that sleeping bag out, lay on it. Car going past at night. Is that? Can you see that light down there?